Where is the aortic valve and what's its purpose?
The aortic valve separates the blood flow from the left ventricle, the pumping chamber, to the aorta. And when the heart pumps the blood, when the left ventricle pumps the blood, the aortic valve is supposed to open up fully, let the blood out, and then close fully to avoid regurgitation or flow back to the heart.
So this is the valve where the heart is pumping the blood to the rest of the body.
Yes.
Pretty important.
Yes.
Is it pretty important more when it closes or when it opens?
Well, both. I would say the most common problem we see is when the valve gets more narrowed over time. So that's called aortic stenosis.
What makes it narrow?
We don't really know, but it degenerates and it becomes thickened and it becomes less pliable. So instead of opening fully, it only opens.
It wants to open but
Yes,
can't.
right.
Calcium gets calcified,
Yes.
gritty, feels bad.
Sure does.
When you've got aortic stenosis, then what's that murmur sound like? The high-pitched mitral valve was sort of a little swoosh. What's the aortic stenosis sound like?
So it's a harsh murmur. It's a.
Does it radiate up into the neck?
It does. It goes toward the neck and the carotid arteries.
So is it easier to hear?
It is. You can oftentimes hear it with your ear if you apply your ear to the chest, like the person's spouse.
Ah, so if you've got an ear on the chest, on somebody else's chest, you might hear a heart murmur that
Yeah,
time.
you don't even need the stethoscope.
And does it sometimes, can you feel the vibration of aortic stenosis?
At times you can in the proper area when you feel with your hand.
And the aortic stenosis, if the blood is having a hard time getting out, you have to follow that. How frequent?
Well, we follow it fairly frequently when we're thinking about surgery. So we typically every 6 months or so. And the heart can become thickened. The heart's pumping against that narrowed valve or that stenotic valve, and the heart muscle can become thickened, and patients can have complications.
They get chest pain, chest discomfort. Can they get angina because of that aortic valve?
They do. They get angina, and then later they can suffer congestive heart failure symptoms, and they can even collapse. They can faint or collapse.
So congestive heart failure symptoms because of aortic stenosis. That just
Yes.
means the heart's not working, and what happens?
Well, that's actually fairly severe, and if the aortic valve is not replaced, a person can die from aortic stenosis.